Hey Art Friends, today we are going to draw a black cat.
Yeah, holding onto a candy corn. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You ready to start?
Yep.
Let's first draw our little cat's nose. I'm going to draw a really small V in the center of our paper. And then we can draw the top of our cat's nose. So it's a triangle. Then we can draw the mouth, a little U shape coming out to the left and also to the right. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to first draw a big eye. Big circle on the left and then the same size circle on the right to match. And then let's draw another circle inside. This is for the pupil. Then let's draw a smaller circle in the top left of each pupil. And then we can color in that middle circle, but leave the really small one white. Now we're going to draw the top of our cat's head. Let's start right here next to the eye. And we're going to draw a big upside down U shape or rainbow line going across. Then right below the mouth, we're going to start drawing the candy corn. Let's draw an upside down V, but the top of the V, or an A, letter A shape, is curved for the candy corn. Then we're going to draw the hands, or the paws. We're going to draw a sideways U connecting to the candy corn on both sides. Then we can draw the bottom of the candy corn. We're going to imagine it going through, coming across to the other side, and then connecting. So it looks like a triangle shape. Then we're going to draw the cheeks for our cat. We're going to come down and connect to the candy corn on the side. Then we can imagine that going behind the candy corn and coming out here and then curving up to the cheek. You could also start, yeah, there you go. You did it. That's awesome. Now it looks like our cat's face is behind the candy corn, or it kind of looks like it's going to start eating it.
Candy corns don't taste that good though.
Yeah, no, they don't. Sometimes I like them. Maybe just one candy corn per Halloween. Yeah. Okay, let's draw the ears. I'm going to draw a diagonal line coming out from each side. And then we're going to connect back down. And then let's draw another upside down letter V for the inside of the ears. And I drew it smaller. And let's also add two little whiskers coming out of the cheeks. Now let's draw, next we can draw the rest of the body. Let's first draw the back paws. I'm going to draw an oval shape and I'm kind of tipping it so that it's diagonal, and then we'll try to draw that same size over here for the other foot. And then we're going to connect the body down to the foot on each side. And then we can draw in between the feet. And, oh, let's draw the little paws. Let's first draw 3 circles for the toes. And then one more big circle. What's our little cat missing?
A tail.
Yes. Let's draw a curve coming out to the side and then back in. We did it! We finished drawing our black cats, except we still need to
color it.
Yes. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video and use our drawings as inspiration. Did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cats. And I especially love that yours looks like a baby cat for some reason. Maybe it's the cute chubby body.
I like that you added more candy corn.
Thanks. And you could add even more things to your drawing, like a background. You could also add more cats.
Or a jack-o'-lantern.
Oh yeah, that would be really cute too. We used our markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have. And we also used CG9, which is a really dark gray. It's not exactly black. And that way the details for our cats still show up. If we just colored it solid black, you wouldn't be able to see the mouth.
We hope you had fun drawing a black cat with a candy corn.
Yeah, and remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. The most important thing is,
To have fun and to practice.
yes, have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.